Welcome back. To the ring we go, where 2014 Ray and Nephew Contender welterweight champions Akima Mr. Smooth Mullings is aiming to rebound from his recent 12-round defeat when he takes on Canadian Winston the Punisher Matthews at the Chinese Benevolent Association tonight when Season 7 kicks off. Mullings, who lost on a split decision to Frederick Lawson in Ghana in their contest for the WBC International Silver Welterweight title, oozed confidence for tonight's fight. Mullings' ring record stands at 19 wins, 14 by TKO and 3 losses, while Matthews has recorded 1 win and 2 drawn results in his 4-year professional career.
His advantage is that he's probably definitely the bigger, stronger man in the fight, but I'm the more experienced man in the fight. So, you know, I have to use my advantage and exploit that and neutralize his advantage in the fight, and that'll be the game plan going in. His name is the Punisher, but at the end of the day, man, name of the game is to be hit and not be hit. Only time in boxing is better to give than receive, so I'm planning on giving and not receiving anything.